So now we're going to do the bird dog exercise. So now again on all fours. So now we're going to take the right hand forward, back straight, right hand forward, left leg back. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Now back, left hand forward, right leg back. Okay. So this is again meant for your core and for building your stability and your spine movement and all. Okay. So let's go. Come on. 1, 2. Other side. 2. Come on. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Come on, last one. 10. So that was